All right, guys, I'm so sorry about that. My alarm had went off and my thing had went off. So I gotta hurry up because I ain't got much more time. But as I was saying, just to recap, this is Red Robin Bluebird Tarot. And I was just talking to the collective here. So whatever platform you have, keep it up. You're doing great work. You're positive, you're a nurturer, you're a leader, and you're brilliant, okay? Spirit wants you to keep being grounded, keep following them, keep doing the right next best thing, listen to your intuition, doing what's right. Curve your center and flesh callings, curve them, please, as best as you can. Try to always make the right best decision. Whoever this karmic partner is or people that's in a group, they're on savage mode and they're mad because they're plotting revenge and they're karma. They have karma coming their way. All right. So you're gonna be getting a new home. I'm sorry I can't talk right now because I'm trying to rush now. I don't know how much more space I have on my phone. I'll try to upload this before I clear the video. But they're mad because you're getting a new home and they're getting kicked out of one. They have been doing fraud along with the catfishing. They've been doing fraud scams and stuff, and that's another thing that people have blackmail and receipts upon them for. They want to come in and do a pop-up to have this heart-to-heart conversation because they feel like you're gonna have a soft moment and you're gonna give them your flowers that spirit gave you, and that's a no-go because they're entangled with your enemies and somebody's gonna come to you confess. Either this information is going to get to you somehow or they're going to themselves reveal their true feelings in some heat of the moment. But Spirit is saying they need you to keep watch out for them because you're in sync with Spirit. Okay, 666 777 888. 210 on the clock now. And 218. Right, so another confirmation. But all of these numbers, they say watch out for the synchronicities because we're talking to you. We want you to pay attention, need you to pay attention, okay? All right, so whoever these people are, they're going down pretty much point blank, period. Whoever these people are, a significant other of yours, male or female, they're trying to get back in your good graces because they know that you're coming up closer and closer on this good abundance that Spirit is giving you for just being obedient and just actually deading that situation. Because you get a reward for every trial and tribulation you get. You may not understand the blessing as it is when it comes in. Like, hey, because you passed, like, because you defeated some demons in your dream state, the next time you wake up, you'll you go to work and you feel like you don't really want to be there a lot. Like, surprisingly, like, your boss will come over and be like, hey, you want to take half the day off? Like, we're covered, we're really slow. Like, it's a nice surprise. Like, your blessings will come in any way, shape, or form. So you will get blessed. But Spirit says, pay attention to the synchronicities and signs. Okay? Pay attention to the synchronicities and signs because they're out here giving you all the stuff you want. Okay? So keep doing what you're doing. You keep relaxing and call on God and your spiritual team for whatever and whatever. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get some closing messages and try to clear this out and try to make sure I can at least upload both videos today or whatever have you before I head up to work. Is there anything else you want to say, Spirit? Anything else you want to say? I'm going to get some of these oracle cards to finish out with. Anything? Okay. So these flew out. I don't know if you've seen them on camera, but it says mask, fish, disguise, not showing, false identity, and petty, immature, cross-minded, reckless. So again, Spirit is saying, do not go back to this person or this group. Anybody that you know that was associated with this person or this group, whether they're a family, friend, associate, or they used to be so-called co-worker, if they came to you with any information or if, they were the one that told you about something that you had no idea of, take that information, but also understand that whoever the person is that gave it to you needs to have a close eye watched upon too. Like, everybody wearing masks around here. Because the Most High, evidently, he using their own people to rat them out. So that's why I said whoever may come to you with this communication, if it's not this person confessing or revealing their true feelings about their entanglement, if it's somebody else on the outside, be careful of that person too telling you whatever they're telling you, because they're also wearing a mask and doing it for petty, superficial reasons against whoever this person is, because they're mad that they had hired them originally to do some shit to you and it didn't work, it backfired. Okay, so that's a whole like rabbit hole, like everybody out to get themselves. So don't pay attention to nothing and nobody that whatever it's saying. Only pay attention to the signs and synchronicities, okay? This had flew out and it says squad. So squad in reverse. Inner circle family partnering. So you need to get away from this so-called squad. You need to get away from this family and friends, so-called. Spirit said you need to be squad. You need to be solo dolo. You need to ride by your side. Ride by yourself. They say you need to curve any and all and everybody besides them. He said relax and curve these motherfuckers. He said relax. Because you're your own knight and you can expect some stuff from them. They told you they was going to give it to you, and they're letting you know that they're going to give it to you because they're proud of you cutting this shit out. So they want you to not return. This is what this message is for. Please do not return. And it's giving expectations met, perfect fit, approved. So Spirit is saying that's how you feeling like, or you will be feeling like, damn, Spirit really blessing me. Or that's how people are seeing you, because they see, like, even if you don't notice that what you're doing, and it does, and it comes back, you know, sometime later, like, oh, that's why I did that. And that's why, because sometimes our higher selves acts through us before our physical, like, minds and stuff in that moment. Like, our selves understand what our higher selves are doing. Like, we just let our lower selves run amok a lot of times, but we ignore our higher selves. So this is your higher self saying, and you're finally understanding, like, hey, you and your higher self are clicking now. And you're understanding why things happened when it did, and why you did certain things that you did, because you were actually listening to Spirit. And everybody can see, damn, Spirit is giving blessings. Like, Spirit is giving. Like, what? Like, how is this person getting all of that? Like, who giving it to them and all this stuff like that? Spirit is giving because you're looking for these signs and synchronicities, okay? Spirit said, I got you, baby. I got you. People see that I'm giving, okay? All day, every day. What? So they need you to keep curving and denying these false ass, fictified, funky ass motherfuckers, because they don't wish you no good. Period, point blank. Again, my name is Red Robin Bluebird Tarot. I do have a Cash App. I will go ahead and put it in the description box for you guys. It is Red Robin Bluebird Cash App, $ Red Robin Bluebird. All lowercase, I believe. If not, every letter of every word, Red Robin Bluebird, is capitalized. All the other letters are lowercase. Okay, so this flipped over. Third wheel, other people, affair, karmic cycle. See, that's what I'm saying. Whoever these people are, they petty and they lurking. This third party is lurking and they cop blocking, because they trying to cop block whoever you gonna be cuffed up with. Talk about who this. And they mad plot twist because they thought they was gonna be able to call you and your ass is blocked or got a different number. So they met with somebody random, talk about who this. Plot twist. Hi. Thought it was. You see that shit? You see? But let me go ahead and get some closing messages. Closing messages. Oh, nah, let me get this, because I know y'all need to hear this. What I need to get just some shit y'all need to hear. This is my favorite fucking deck. Oh my gosh. Some shit you need to hear, okay? Give it to them, Spirit. Give it to them, because you giving, baby. You giving. Give them some shit that they need to hear, okay? Okay, I did do it right. Okay, I was about to say, what? Okay. Give them something they need to hear, Spirit, because I'm already telling them, like, I think they actually get the picture, like, whoever this person is really trying to hold them back, okay? Never let them hurt you again. Curve. Whoever this bitch is, curve them. Never let them hurt you again. Okay? Because spirit is given to you, not given to them. You stick around these people or this person, and your ass will be sitting there like them. Watch your frenemies. Watch your frenemies. You have a lot more than you think you do out here. And they come dressed as your family members too, okay? Watch your frenemies. Plan and then execute. Also, keep quiet about your plans too, because they plotting for real. Don't tell nobody nothing. Plan, then execute, okay? Don't just keep jumping out here on the gun like these karmics and folks, because that's how they getting their asses caught up. Revisiting this shit and making, doing way too much, way too fast. Haven't even thought twice about the shit. How it will fuck them over, how it affect the next person, how it's not whatever the outcome is going to be. Like, what were you even originally doing it for? They don't think about none of this shit. And that's why they're in the predicament they're in now. Especially when it came to you. Because they never thought none of that shit through. Just was all about what they wanted and how they wanted it. Don't be like that. Make a plan and then execute, like Spirit say. Anything else, Spirit? Anything else, Spirit? Okay. Anything else, Spirit? I'll probably put all of my info in this one and everything. But this is the part 2 to the first one. Okay. It says, sit your ass down somewhere. So this is your spirit team talking to your enemies. Okay. So. Again, they talking to your enemies. You have issues. Solve them bitches. They talking to your karmics. So this is why they mad, because they was like, they need you, collective, to show the world a better way of doing things. Just like you came out the dark, they can too. And they need you to show them how you came out the dark. But for your enemies, they want them to sit their asses the fuck down and learn something. Because this is clarifying that card where it says they can rewrite their own story. Like, the villain can rewrite their own story. We've been talking about this one all this long time. This is what this is referring to. Sit your ass down somewhere, and you got issues too that you need to solve. Stop fucking coming over here to collective worried about what they got when you can write your own story. I sent them down here to go through that same fucking pain to a 1 degree, because you seem to always like be a glutton for pain, and you want people to send you that shit back tenfold, because this damn show coming back tenfold to your dumb ass. But until you come and sit your ass down and learn something, they gonna go through the same stuff that to a certain degree, and they're gonna express to the world how they got through it and grow to become this conch shell, to be, this loving grown-up person, that's able to let stuff go and able to actually defend themselves when they need to, right? So they went from this conch shell on the beach to this person, right? And that's what we need y'all to fucking figure out. We sent them down here to show y'all how to do the basic ass shit that y'all keep refusing to do lifetime after lifetime. So at this point, this lifetime, either you get with this shit or your ass gonna be the one on the chopping block. Period. Do you want to wake up tomorrow or do you not? Kind of shit. Like, that's the energy I'm feeling. Like, it's just plain and simple. And that's not no physical threat or nothing like that. But y'all know how the Most High work. And shit in me, it could be a complete accident, or you would think somebody physically playing that shit out. How, meticulous and perfect he is with his execution. Okay. This all came out. I'm going to take it. It says, face the problem and watch that shit disappear. So y'all need to face your fears and watch it disappear, okay? It says, if people treat you badly and keep going, and you keep going back for more, you love that shit. Okay? So what Spirit is saying is face the issues and watch them disappear. Said these people got issues and they need to sit the fuck down and solve them. But their issues is not your issues. You already solved some of your issues. That's why you're here at this point now. But Spirit is saying, you better not fucking go back there. Because these bitches is mad and they're going to work double time through that karma and everything that they're getting to get you back into a position where they feel like they can laugh and say ha ha. But Spirit says, at the same token, if people treat you bad and you keep going back for more, you like that shit. So Spirit already says, like, we already promised you, you know, this abundance. We just need you to have strength and to trust us and keep working through the challenges, because we're going to give you trials and tribulations to get you to a point where you're not a shell on the beach anymore. And you're fully functioning and capable of doing any and everything that you want and have. You're going to have the stability. You're going to have shiny days. You're going to have material shit in abundance. You're going to have the basics. People out here living on the street got holes in their socks and you got thigh highs and shit. People don't even have a vehicle, but you out here with a 2-way driveway and a 3-story house. You know, make it make sense. You out here manifesting shit. But Spirit says, make a plan and execute. Make a plan to curb these fucking bitches. Because if you don't, you're going to be in the same fucking issue with them. And he already showed you what that was. So, yeah. Alright, let me get a closer out. Unless there's anything else, y'all. Let me see. I might got time. I don't know how much space I have. Okay, it's still recording. Let me hurry up. Anything else, Spirit? I think that was it. Because Spirit just pretty much said that was... I don't know. Stop feeling fucking sorry for yourself. Okay, so now that's it. Your intuition is on point. Now that's it. Okay. At the bottom of the deck. Stop feeling sorry for your fucking self. Your intuition is on point. So trust and believe what you already know. Spirit said trust them. They don't need you out here acting funny and reneging on what the fuck they just told you to do, and you end up still choosing your flesh when they just told you exactly what the fuck was really what's what. So you play like you didn't want to hear them, or you play like you didn't hear them from the get-go, or you act like you didn't understand, and your ass will be right there where the fuck they're at. Okay, your intuition is on point. Do not play it. Do not play it like these karmics is playing you. Because they want you to play yourself. They really do. Passion, okay? Passion, 7. Spirit says they want you to have that passion, okay? Spirit says they want you to have that passion so you can be forever abundant, because they're working with you, okay? They're passionately trying to give you all of this abundance, okay? They're passionately doing that, and they're healing you from the inside out, okay? Whatever this root magic is or whatever, they're healing that. They ain't worried about none of that, okay? Okay. So, passion. What's the little squiggly? I forgot that zodiac symbol. I'm so sorry. But if y'all know, this could be of significance. If y'all know this symbol, right? This zodiac symbol, that could be of significance to somebody. That could mean that could be the zodiac of the person you have coming in who has this passion and stuff like that for you, or whatever else. Okay. So, let's see. Anything else, Spirit? Spirit said, keep the passion. Keep the passion. They want you to have a plan and execute it, and never let them people hurt you again. Stop feeling sorry for yourself. You're solving your issue, so let them solve theirs. It wasn't easy for you, and it's damn sure tenfold not gonna be easy for them. So you need to trust your intuition and not play yourself like they keep doing black magic to get you to do, because they want your happiness and they know you're happy. You're out here with the merry-goes and shit, or marjorams. I don't know why I called them merry-goes. So maybe y'all have a merry-go plant, or y'all old school peeps, y'all know about the merry-goes. But this is number 15. Okay. Gemini, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, maybe Gemini. But whatever this potion is, you got the happy elixir. You got whatever you have in your bloodline, and your whatever spirit is giving you or blessing you with in abundance, they want it. And they know that you have it. Because Spirit is going to bless it for you. And you're going to remember those days when Spirit was saying, hey, I have this for you. I just need you to get from around that person so I can bless you with it. Or, hey, you know, I have this, and I know you removed yourself from that person, but I need you to really understand me before I give you this. Like, really listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth. Really hear me before I give you this kind of thing, you know? So they know that you're happy. They know you're getting this upgrade, and they know that you're passionate about this brand new beginnings. So Spirit says relax and remember. So moving forward, remember, have good memory on everything. You can forgive, but don't never forget. Your intuition is on point. And I'm going to go ahead and leave it there, y'all. On the bottom of the deck, wholeness. You are whole within yourself, and Spirit is going to continue to work with you to make sure you're whole within yourself. So you're going to heal all those past issues. You're going to make a plan and you're going to execute, because your intuition is on point about these synchronicities that Spirit has been giving you, letting you know your advance is coming if you continue to do what they ask you to do. Because you do have free will, but if you keep saying, I'm an obedient servant and I'll do what Most High asked me to do, best of my abilities, you damn sure getting this. Ashe, y'all. My name is Red Robin Bluebird Tarot. Again, Cash App is $ Red Robin Blue, all lower caps. Thank you so much for everything, for any donations. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.